guiding you to deeper, more restful sleep. Your sleep care partner, Somnobridge. Sleep apnea is more than just loud snoring. It is a serious sleep disorder that can lead to neurological disorders, myocardial infarction, hypertension, diabetes, and cognitive impairments. Neurological disorders, myocardial infarction, hypertension, diabetes, cognitive impairments. It can also disturb the sleep of family members, potentially leading to social isolation, making a fundamental solution essential. Somnobridge's ApnoBlow improves sleep apnea in the simplest, most effective way. The world's first non-invasive sleep apnea treatment device to combine low-frequency electrical muscle stimulation with exhalation resistance-based breathing exercises. Non-invasive sleep apnea treatment device. Beyond a simple aid, just 10 minutes of daily daytime use maximizes your airway patency. ApnoBlow consists of a breathing exercise device and a low-frequency stimulator that delivers targeted stimulation to the upper airway muscles. Respiratory muscle training device. Low-frequency electrical muscle patch. As you begin exhalation training, the devices detect your breathing in real time and simultaneously activate low-frequency stimulation. The ApnoBlow app is designed to help you track your exhalation intensity and review your usage history with ease. Personalized intensity settings, usage tracking and analysis. With just 10 minutes a day, ApnoBlow strengthens respiratory muscles while offering a better experience than conventional treatments. Uncomfortable nighttime devices, surgical burden, tooth pain, risk of malocclusion. Daytime convenience, freedom to use anywhere, and excellent compatibility with other treatments. Patient-centered convenience, easy portability, excellent compatibility with other therapies. Clinical studies confirmed a 36% reduction in the apnea Hypopnea Index and a 42% reduction in snoring symptoms, 36% reduction in AHI, 42% reduction in snoring. Clinically proven effectiveness. Just 10 minutes a day with ApnoBlow for a newfound calm. Your sleep care partner, Somnobridge.